Come on, join your hands, close your eyes and say, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Yes, rub your hands, come on. And put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Okay, what was your homework? Have you done your homework? Very good, Ansh. Very good. Perfect, dear. You have completed your homework. What about others? Have you completed it? Okay, some of them are searching for it. Okay. Very good, Sachi. Shivansh. Yes. First was the numbers. Very good. Very nice, dear. Very nice. Shriram, have you completed? Yes. Ovi has also. Advik. Okay. Sairaj and Nishis, have you completed? Okay. So children, as we eat, yes, everyone has done. So as we eat many vegetables, daily we eat one vegetable. Yes, in the morning for the breakfast you don't eat, but for the lunch and dinner you have one vegetable. Yes, in your food, and it is mandatory, isn't it? Because vegetables keep us healthy. Yes, so today we are going to see the vegetables. For that, you have to open your General Awareness Primer book, page number 75. This book, yes, and the page number is 7575. Come on, quickly open the book. Yes, page number 75. Yes, come on. Shall I show you the page? Okay, I will. This is the page. Yes. Can you see the page? Come on. Very good. Very good. You got it? Okay. Now look, children. So what is our today's topic? It is vegetables. Here top it is given. Vegetables. Yes, that we daily eat. Look, point and learn. Means you have to look. Point means you have to do like this. Okay. And you have to learn what is the name of the vegetable. And there are some types of vegetable. Yes. Okay. So the first type is fruit vegetables. Means the vegetables that you can see as a fruit on the plant or on the tree are called as fruit vegetable, and it has some different taste. Every fruit vegetable has some different taste. So children, the first one, this red one, is a tomato. What is it? It's a tomato. In our daily sabji we put it. Yes. And some of my children loves to eat the tomato, isn't it? Yes, so it is a tomato and it is a fruit vegetable. Yes, it is a fruit vegetable. Next one is this one. What is this? It is a green peas. What is it? Is a green peas. And why it is called as green peas? Because can you see the color? What is it? It is of green color. Yes. So it is a green peas and this is also a fruit vegetable. Next one is a lady finger. What is this? It is a lady finger. And why it is called as lady finger? Can you see your finger? How is your finger? It is like a finger. So it is called as lady finger. And what is the color of a lady finger? It is of green color, and it is also a fruit vegetable. Next one. You use this vegetable in the salad. Which vegetable is this? It is a cucumber. Yes, ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये काकडी बोलतो, isn't it? And it is very nice for our health. So you should eat this cucumber. Okay? Okay. And it is also a fruit vegetable. हे सगळे fruit vegetable च्या under येतात. Okay? Next one is purple color vegetable, and it is called as brinjal. What it is called as? Brinjal. And it is of purple color. Can you see the color? It is of purple color, and it is also a fruit vegetable. Next one is capsicum. Next one is capsicum, and when you will cut the capsicum, it will look like this, and it has some seeds also inside. Capsicum, have you seen the capsicum? Yes. And what is the color of a capsicum? It is of green color. Can you see the color? It is of green color, and capsicum is also a fruit vegetable. Now these are the fruit vegetable. Now the next type is root vegetables. म्हणजे काय? Roots म्हणजे काय? Okay, just a minute. Can you see what is this called? These are the roots. Have you seen in the parts of plants when we were learning? तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का, मी असं खाली हे करून दाखवले होते की रूट्स म्हणजे काय? मुळं झाडाची, isn't it? So these are roots vegetable. म्हणजे काय? हे सगळे जे व्हेजिटेबल्स आहेत, ओनियन, बीटरूट, पटॅटो आणि कॅरेट, हे कुठे येणार आहे? असं सॉइलच्या खाली येतात. So they are called as root vegetables. Everybody understand? हे व्हेजिटेबल्स असे वरती येतात का? नाही. हे रूट मध्ये म्हणजे मातीच्या आतमध्ये जे व्हेजिटेबल्स येतात त्याला काय म्हणायचं आपण? रूट व्हेजिटेबल. अंडर द सॉइल whichever vegetable comes, it is called as root vegetable. So the first root vegetable is onion. What is that? It is onion. The next one is beetroot. Have you seen the beetroot plant? It is under and only the leaves are up. Yes. So this is beetroot. आणि जर तुम्ही कांदा बघितला असेल, कांद्याची पात, कांदा कसा येतो माहिती तुम्हाला? कांद्याची पात म्हणजे ह्याच्या पण वरती थोडीशी ग्रीन लीव्स असतात असे. And then this onion is down in the soil. Okay. Next is potato. Yes. Next is potato, and it is also a root vegetable. And last one, it is a carrot, which a rabbit loves. Yes. And it is also a root vegetable. So onion, beetroot, potato, and carrot are the root vegetables. They come underground. Okay. Now, most of the children do not love this vegetables, that is leafy vegetables. Okay. खूप लोकांना आवडत नाहीत, पण leafy vegetables हे तुमच्या हेल्थ साठी खूप छान असतात. त्यांनी स्किन, आईज काही प्रॉब्लेम येत नाही. सो यू शुड ईट द व्हेजिटेबल्स. फर्स्ट वन, इट इज फेन्युग्रीक. म्हणजे जी मेथीची भाजी आपण खातो त्याला काय म्हणायचं? फेन्युग्रीक. And it is a leafy vegetable. Now children, why it is called as leafy vegetables? Can you see? It has some leaves. Can you see? Yes. मेथीची भाजी बघितली तुम्ही, त्याला खूप leaves असतात. Yes. So it is called as leafy vegetable. So first is fenugreek. Next one is spinach. Yes. Palak, spinach. Yes. So it is also leafy vegetable. Can you see the leaves? Yes, big leaves. So next is spinach. The third one is cabbage. Cabbage पण जर तुम्ही बघितला तर त्याचे leaves म्हणजे जे साइडचं कव्हरिंग असतं ते leaves असतात, isn't it? So next one is cabbage. And the last one is lettuce. Yes. So these are leafy vegetables. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4? Why it is called leafy vegetable? Because it has some leaves. Some have a small leaves, some have a big leaves. Yes. So it is called as leafy vegetable. So we have seen three types of vegetable. First is fruit vegetable. Second is root vegetable. Third is leafy vegetables. Fruit vegetables come and hang like a fruit. Root vegetables come under the ground. Yes. And the leafy vegetables have leaves. Okay. Now, so turn the page. Now we have to identify. Okay. Yes. Circle the odd one. Odd one means you have to circle only the one picture that is odd. म्हणजे जे वेगळं आहे. Okay. Come on. Now we will do it. Take a pencil in your hand. Yes. Now first they have told us root vegetables. Root vegetable means this vegetable that come under the soil. Means if this is soil, it comes here for the roots. Yes. If it is onion here, if it is radish here, or it is carrot here, it comes under the soil. This is our soil. And it comes under the soil. Okay. So let's see which are the root vegetable. This one is green peas, potato, carrot. So which one is odd man out? Which is not a root vegetable? कोणतं root vegetable नाही आहे? Yes. Green peas. Why? Because green peas is a fruit vegetable. Very good, Sachi. Very good. And potato and carrot are the root vegetable. Very nice. Next one. Leafy vegetables. Which is not a leafy vegetable? Yes. Onion. Onion. Very good. It is an onion because onion is a root vegetable and not a leafy vegetable. Very good. And spinach and yes. No, dear. Only onion you have to circle. जे odd आहे त्याला circle करायचंय. Okay? जे बरोबर आहे त्याला सर्कल नाही करायचं. त्यांनी काय सांगितलंय? सर्कल द ऑड वन. म्हणजे जे एक आहे जे ऑड आहे. ऑड आहे म्हणजे काय? वेगळं आहे. त्याला तुम्हाला सर्कल करायचंय. Isn't it? Okay. Next is fruit vegetable. Means which come as like a fruit. First is ladyfinger, tomato and cabbage. Yes. Yes, cabbage is not a fruit vegetable. It is a leafy vegetable, isn't it? It has a leaves. Very good, very good. So come on, have you done all the three? Come on, show me. Very nice, dear, very nice. Yes, now you have rectified it. Okay. Everybody has understood. Very good, dear. Okay, so what is your homework for a day? Your homework for a day is in your general awareness practice book, means this book. General awareness practice book. Page number 37. Page number 37. Here you have some vegetables. Yes. Dab a cotton ball in paint and color the vegetables. Now you know which color the tomato is. It is of red color. So you will take one cotton ball, dip in a red color, and then you will dab on it. Yes, like this same to two other vegetables also you will do. Yes, everyone will do what you have to do. Again, I will explain. Dab a cotton ball in a paint. म्हणजे कॉटनचा बॉल घ्यायचा तो पेंट मध्ये टाकायचा and color the vegetable आणि ते dab करायचं फक्त. Okay, everyone will do this. Yes, as a homework. So write here HW. So you will get it that this is my homework and I have